Hello guys, this is Zarek with the Brappen Boys, and today we're going to be installing our brand new RPM race can on our 650 Matryx. What this is going to do for our snowmobile is going to add 4 horsepower as well as drop 11.4 pounds. So let's get right into the install. Alright guys, we're going to start off with the stock can. There's going to be 2 springs, one on top of the pipe and one on the bottom of the pipe. And then next we're going to uninstall the sensor for the can. You're going to need that for the new one. And then as well as uninstalling the spring on the back on that little flange right there. Your pipe there. Should just slide out just like that. There's going to be this little rubber piece. This sits on this part of the chassis there. Just makes it so it doesn't shake and rattle your exhaust. So go ahead and grab that one, the new one. Sweet. We're gonna need a little part. Hold that for a second. There is a little seal on the inside of your stock exhaust that you're gonna want to put on the new one. All right, so I did get that stock one out. That's what that little piece looks like. Nothing too crazy. On your new exhaust, it's just gonna go right in that little loop there. It's gonna make sure that seal gets good on your exhaust. So next what you're going to do, just pop this bad boy right into here. Actually put it on the exhaust first, there we go. Set in right just like that. Go ahead and start by getting some of these springs on so it holds its shape better. Okay. So it's going to be similar to the stock can where the locations are. You're going to have 2 that connect here. Should be 1 that connects from this little loop right here down to there. There you go. Sweet. We're going to start with a sound clip of the stock can. So let's go ahead and start this one up and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, so we just got the RPM can installed. We're going to go ahead and start it up and you guys can hear it, and we'll do another sound clip outside, put some wheels on this thing. We don't have any snow right now, so there's no way we can go really rip it just up and down the street, but pretty much it sounds way better than it was. You can hear it right now. Go ahead and bring me a little bit closer. Sounds much better. Alright guys, as you can see, I got the stock can right here with the scale. As you can see, coming in at about 16 pounds-ish. So that's going to be your stock can weight. And let's grab the RPM race can. So it's showing 3.5 pounds. So that's what the RPM race can weighs.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna go ahead and drop some more RPM can installs on our channel, as well as I'm gonna go ahead and link their page down in the description so you can check out their website and maybe pick yourself up an RPM can.